Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Porsche Cayenne garage door opener. First, make sure your garage door remote has fresh batteries and is working correctly. Then, park your Cayenne within a few feet of your garage door. Locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on the overhead console near the rearview mirror. These buttons will link directly to your garage door system. Before programming, it's a good idea to clear any old codes. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously. You'll see an indicator light, usually above the buttons, begin to flash slowly. Continue holding both buttons until that light flashes rapidly. This indicates that all previous programming has been successfully erased from your home link system. Now, let's program your garage door remote. Hold your remote control 2 to 5 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button in your Cayenne and the transmit button on your garage door remote. Keep holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. Then, you can release both buttons. To test, simply press the home link button you just programmed. If your garage door opens, you're all set. If not, your garage door opener likely uses a rolling code system. In this case, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor. Press it once, then quickly return to your Cayenne and press the programmed home link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this 2 or 3 times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.